Okay, this video is going to show how you can make sure that you have Mote pinned and installed and ready to use. So when you're in Google Slides, you should see the Mote pad here. That way you'll know you have Mote fully installed. You should also be seeing the extension up here, and you'll see that in Docs and Sheets and other places as well, just when you're in Chrome. So what you're going to do if you're not seeing this is you're going to click the puzzle piece. And then where it says Mote here, you want to make sure that's pinned. It could just be that this is not pinned, and that's why you're not seeing the extension pop up. If you don't see Mote here and you don't see it in Slides, then you can get the Chrome Mote extension from the Chrome Web Store. You're simply going to search for Mote Chrome extension, and then you're going to click on Add to Chrome. You can see mine says Remove from Chrome because I already have it here. One thing that's really important is whenever you're installing Mote that you grant permissions. So there are several boxes to check. You want to make sure that you check that that Mote has access and can be used within Google. So you're going to make sure to check those boxes. It may ask you to come back and check those later if you have not. So then once you come back and you refresh, you should have the option for Mote here. And then once again, you want to make sure it's pinned to your Chrome extension bar.